Alright, so today I'm going to review the Tolaccea Travel Bag. This is a budget-friendly travel backpack that can be used for camping, backpacking, flying on an airplane, etc. There's a lot of different pockets and storage compartments in this bag. I'm going to try to show you some of them in the video. I got the navy blue color here. I like how it has the orange accents. And looking into this first compartment, I like how it has the reflective material in the zipper pocket. That compartment says dry or wet, so I guess you could put dry or even wet items in there. And it's got the ventilation for them to air out. Going towards the back of the backpack, it's got this large compartment at the back that folds out. Let's see if I can get it open here with one hand. This part folds down and you could store a number of various things back here. I think this is mainly the laptop storage compartment. So you can slide a laptop in there and also slide it right out for easy access. And going on to the next section of the bag, this is the larger, I would call it the middle section of the bag. I thought it was cool how it came with a little travel bag actually inside. There you can see the Tolacca branding, and there's that small little carry bag. I guess you could use that for generally carrying things. And this was the bigger pocket that I ended up storing most of my clothes and things in. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video here a real world example. I took this bag on a trip and I was actually able to cram a lot of different stuff in the bag. I like how you can use it for a backpack. I did use that feature and I just put it right on my back. Not sure what this middle insert part was, so I just left that out. But I liked how there were zipper pockets kind of separating things. I put some smaller items in the zipper pocket. And here was a cool idea on how to attach it to other luggage if you have a roll-on luggage. It says on the Amazon listing that this is TSA friendly for stress-free airport travel. So basically you can just carry this with you, and if this is your only bag, you don't have to check a bag. That it should be able to fit in the overhead compartments on your flight, which is a cool thing. And here's my real world example. We went on a trip and I packed this thing full of clothes. I ended up putting all of my wife's clothes in one side and zipped that shut to kind of keep those separate. As you can see here, you can kind of zip everything shut. Then I put my clothes on the other side and I zipped the whole thing shut, and I was able to get quite a lot in there, as you can see in this video. After using this for a couple weeks, I want to leave you guys with my pros and cons. Overall, I like the size of it. I like the fact that you can wear it on your back as a backpack. I like the fact that if you bring it on an airplane, you don't have to check the bag because it fits. I like the build quality. It feels good. The things I don't like about it. Well, my only complaint with this bag, really, and I did tell the company this, there's too many compartments. I was getting confused as to where exactly my stuff was. Is it in the front pocket, middle, second middle, back? So many compartments. I forgot where this stuff was. But that's my only complaint. For $70, it's not a bad deal. I will put a link to where you can purchase this in the description. And if I have any coupon codes, I will put them there as well. There you have it. The Tolaccea Travel Backpack. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching till the end. If you're still watching, comment below and let me know you're here. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. One of the ways you can support an original content creator like myself is just by subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. And also check out this playlist, which is all of our review videos.